Hey guys, I'm Zach from SparkToast, and today I'll show you how to pre-generate your world chunks with this plugin called Chunk Pregenerator. Alright, so before we start, you need at least 5 gigabytes of RAM in your server for this to work. Your server may crash, but that's fine. Just start it back up and do fcp resume, which is the command. And then, as well, the pre-generation will continue without problems. The benefits of pre-generating the world will fix the half-generated/fragmented worlds. Also, as chunks are pre-generated, it will reduce the RAM usage when players start to explore the map. So I usually recommend 15 to 25,000 blocks for a small survival server. It's also worth mentioning that depending on the server and number of blocks you decide to pre-generate, your server will use more or less space. So let's say that you use 25,000 of pre-generated blocks, that will use around 70 gigabytes of storage. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add these two plugins called Chunk Pregenerator and Worldborder. I already downloaded them. Then we go to File Manager and click Plugins. Drag these two in. I'm going to delete that. Click Console and click Start. Alright, as you see, it's done. Now, since we added both plugins, I'm just going to go ahead and do FCP start 1000 world 01150. So these right here are the distance. This is the world you're wanting to do it in. And this is just the command to start it. Now let's go ahead and do it. Alright, it's done. Now we can go ahead and hop on the server and do the Worldborder command. After we join the world, we can go ahead and do WB set 100 100. Now if we fly, we can go over, it's where we stood. It is 100 blocks away. So when I go over here, it'll let me go past here. So if I go over here, it will let me go past here. And if I go over here, it will let me go past here. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I'm Zach. Peace.